Waste Management in Australia by Necati and Humzah Ali.
Over the last few years, Australia has insanely increased the amount of waste. The average Australian produces 1.5 tonnes of waste in a year. Approximately $8 billion of edible food hits the bin each year. One issue about waste management includes wind. At Amity College, the cleaners suffer to constantly clean the mess of Amity College students. There is so much rubbish that it is impossible to clean it all. The reason for this is because when it is windy, it drags all the waste to other places such as the beaches and cities. The effect of waste at the beaches is that it can end up in the water. This is bad because many animals in the ocean think it's food. They may eat it and unfortunately die from choking and more. One more may include an toxic e-waste going into the landfill. This is bad due to affecting the environment. Toxic e-waste is electronic waste such as wires, TVs, microwaves and much more. The toxic waste gets in the soil ground and ultimately ending up in us. This can cause many diseases that can make us very ill and the worst of all, death. Australian government is trying to support the waste management is an issue. He committed to improve the efficiency which the resources and use reduce the impact of the environment of waste disposal and improve the management of hazardous waste. This is also an issue due to waste decomposing and causing pollution.
As Necati discussed, waste management has a big effect on our school and the way visitors may view it. Now, one of the ways our school has tried using is offering us many bins around the schools in many different locations, which has been proven unsuccessful. However, there are still many other ways that could work. One method is that we as a school could use reusable recyclable materials as artwork. For instance, newspapers with images can be either thrown away or could be used to teach students how to analyze certain images. Foam containers and plastic bottles could also be used as artworks. But of course, as high school students, we would die of the boredom, therefore causing us to realize the consequences of littering in school grounds. We as a school could also raise the punishment levels for anybody who is caught littering in school grounds. Keeping the school clean would provide us a much healthier environment. We could also serve as role models for the future students moving on to our school. The ways the success of these strategies will be measured is by throughout the upcoming years. Students will perform a waste management task to survey the amount of waste around the school. Then these results will be compared between the past 5 years of stored data the school has been keeping. This will then allow us to identify which strategies have and have not been working, or if we should change and use new strategies. This will then hopefully help our school in becoming a more healthier and safer environment for students to work in. Thank you.